Welcome to AGORACOM, the Small Cap Epicenter and AGORACOM TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing the best press releases out of the small cap world every morning at the open so you can hopefully profit from them and maybe even find your next great small cap investment. It's Thursday, June the 4th. I've got 3 press releases for you today, all Canadian, all resources, just one of those days. Let's start you off first with Freewest Resources trades on the TSX Venture under the stock symbol FWR. This isn't a AGORACOM client, have to disclose that. They did announce the completion of a $5.16 million private placement with Cliffs Natural Resources out of Cleveland, Ohio. The company is issuing about 14.7 million shares at a price of 35 cents per share. Important because Freewest closed yesterday at 33 cents. Total proceeds, $5.162 million. Proceeds going to be used, as you can expect, primarily for exploration on their 100% owned McFalls Lake chromite property. Freewest also granted Cliffs a right to participate in future equity financings by Freewest so that Cliffs can maintain their equity ratio there. They closed yesterday at 33 cents. Good news. We're always looking for this out of the resources space, either companies that are producing and generating cash flow or companies that can raise equity, because it's not very hard, easy to do right now, sorry. But if you can do it, it is a sign of quality. Do your own due diligence. Next up, Colossus Minerals trades on the big board, CSI on the TSX. They announced that they drilled 27.9 meters of 35.5 grams per ton of gold, 19.9 grams per ton of platinum, and 25.1 grams per ton of palladium. These are the first results from their Phase 2 diamond drill program. This on their joint venture property in Brazil. Highlights were hole SPD 020. That's the one I just gave you. Within that included 21.15 meters of 46.36 grams per ton of gold, 25.8 grams per ton of platinum, and 32.64 grams per ton of palladium. Big numbers here. In fact, they're the highest grades of platinum and palladium so far encountered in Colossus drilling. They also had some other results. Go take a look at those. The company closed yesterday at $3.38, doing very well this year. 52-week high, $4, so they're not far off that, and way off their low of 43 cents. As I said, number of times in Q4 here on AGORACOM TV, these great resources companies, we're going to separate the wheat from the chaff, and the good ones are going to rocket back, and there you are. Great job for Colossus. And finally, Northern Star Mining trades on TSX Venture under NSM. Again, another AGORACOM client. Just one of those days where we have a couple of AGORACOM clients in the news. They announced drill results from their wholly owned Malartic Midway project located about 16 kilometers west of Val d'Or, Quebec. Great area to be in, great place to be. Drilling was carried out on a number of different areas on the property, including the newly discovered L zone. Here are just some of the highlights from each of the zones that they've newly discovered. On the L zone, 7.29 grams per ton of gold over 11.5 meters. On the Chabela West, 6.51 grams per ton over 7.8 meters. And on the Decline West zone, 8.25 grams per ton over 5.2 meters. Michelle David, CEO of the company, had a quote. We took this excerpt. Drilling from surface throughout the Malartic Midway Gold Project continues to deliver outstanding results. We expect to see the continuation of these results from both surface and underground drilling. The company closed yesterday at 37.5 cents, off its low, 52-week low of 26, still off its high of $1.10. But do your own due diligence. We know Northern Star has got some great projects, especially the Malartic Midway project. That's a wrap. We want to get to one stock call for you, and that's Universal Power Corp. Trades on the Venture Exchange under UNX. This is a new one, pending contact with the company. So it looks like the exchange must have put out that halt because they're pending contact with company. Not sure what that means, but go take a look at that. As always, if you're looking for more great small cap resource and energy companies and you're watching this on Globe Investor, then you can either look below me or to the left, depending on where you watch this on Globe Investor, for more great press releases, feature webcasts, and other great leads. If you're watching this on AGORACOM, then over to my right, you'll see that there's some headlines, the metals and minerals and energy sector over the last few days. Catch up on those, see what you've missed, or go straight to the marketplace, and you can filter by industry and exchange to find the resource companies that best suit your portfolio. That's a wrap. Have a great day. Talk to you tomorrow.